Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Welcome. In today's video, we're going to be opening up my August Boxycharm by Ipsy, so if you guys want to see what I got, then keep watching. So I'm a little nervous because this box looks like it has been through it, so I'm hoping nothing's damaged. This also came very quickly. Has anyone else noticed with Boxycharm, you pick out your picks on the 1st of the month, and some days it comes within like a week, and other times you're waiting like the whole month for your box. What is up with that? I want to say at the end of July they introduced something where like for an extra $15 you could add on another like luxury or something item. As always, I have everything pulled up on my phone, so if that's mentioned somewhere here I will pull that up, or if I can find the information on that. But it was like $15, so I figured I'd try it out for a couple of months and see how I like that. It's not worth it. I will eventually let you guys know if I stop doing that, but it started for this month. So let's open her up. I have not opened this because I've been wanting to sit down and film this. I've just been really tired. So here's the inside of the box. First product is this Amika Undone Volume and Matte Texture Spray. So I chose this. When I saw that I could pick this, I immediately picked it. I didn't even give thought to the other choices because I was so excited that it's an Amika product. I really love their dry shampoo, so I'm excited to try this volume and matte texture spray. I feel like this is going to be amazing for when I do my heatless curls. I just can't wait to use it. Next up, we have the What's Up Beauty Positivity Lightweight Hydrating Face Primer. I picked this as well. This is considered a clean beauty product. I'm excited to try it. I always love to try out new face primers, and when I saw hydrating and lightweight, I figured I would really like it because I love hydrating products. The next product is this Evereden Nourishing Facial Cleansing Oil. I picked this as well, and this has sunflower seed oil, argan oil, and jojoba seed oil. It's non-toxic, hypoallergenic, dermatologist tested, and it's suitable for babies, kids, and sensitive adults. That's pretty interesting. I really have been liking cleansing oils for nighttime when I'm removing my makeup. Next up, we have the Ofra X Hot Mess Mama Unconditional Mini Mix Palette. Ipsy Boxycharm, I don't know what they're called anymore, chose for me. Fun fact, when I first started my channel, she started her channel at the same time and we were in Facebook groups, but she blew up and I didn't. But this palette looks really pretty. I'm excited to try it. I'm just nervous because the last Ofra palette that I did try, I don't know if I'm just like really sensitive to Ofra products. It was an eyeshadow palette, but I will give this one a try again, and if the same thing happens, it happens. The blush is a little bit, it's not damaged. It must have just hit a bump or something when it was traveling to my house, because there was a lot of like little chunks and I threw them in the garbage before I did open this up and make a mess. Like the blush, you could see it's like all over, but the eyeshadows are very pretty in this palette. I like the neutrals. I love this like olive green and the purple. I also like that the packaging is magnetic, so it's really good for, I want to say it's good for travel, but I don't know because the blush. Next up, we have the Key Soul Care It's Like Skin 2-in-1 Concealer and Tint in 260 and medium. Ipsy chose this for me, and I'm really excited to try this out. I'm definitely going to do a little wear test and review kind of video for this. I really like the packaging. So this is going to brighten and blur your complexion with this 2-in-1 concealer and skin tint that provides buildable light to medium coverage while moisturizing the skin. So this can be used as a concealer or an all over face product. I feel like I would like it as an all over face product, but I'm very excited to try it. And last is the Beauty Boost, which is what I was talking about in the beginning, and this is the Natasha Denona Love Face Palette. So I only paid $15 for the Beauty Boost, that's what it's called, and this is $62, so right there, it's pretty much worth it. I do have a love-hate relationship with Natasha Denona palettes, I'm not gonna lie, but this one is very, very pretty. And this comes with a blush, a highlight, and then you have your 5 eyeshadows, which is 4 mattes and 1 shimmer. The packaging is very pretty. Would I pay $62 for this? Absolutely not. Would I pay $15? Probably. I just feel like the packaging is not worth $62. I will say though that the highlight is a little cracked. Highlight, I don't know if you can see it, is a little cracked. Oh god, I can definitely repress it with just like a little bit of alcohol. Try it out. I'll just keep this very safe. So that is everything that I got in my August Boxycharm by Ipsy. I do have to say, June was very rough. If you did not see that video, it will be linked down below. But they are redeeming themselves. I'm really excited for this month's box. The two products I'm most excited to try are the Keys Soul Care. It's like Skin 2-in-1 concealer and tint, and the Amika volume and matte texture spread. I think what Ipsy chose for me were really good choices, and I think the things I chose myself were really great choices. Let me know what you think of this month's box in the comments down below. I would love to hear your thoughts. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe for more videos. Make sure you're following me on all my social media. That's always linked down below. And that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye.